Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today's video is for kids and teens playlist, and today we will be making 6 kinds of spreads. Real quick, easy, and you can bulk it and store it for more than 15 days. You can use it for sandwiches, wrap, as a dipping sauce, even as a salad dressing. First one is mustard mayo. Mix yellow mustard sauce with mayonnaise and add salt, pepper and lemon juice as per the taste. Mix it well. Use it right away or you can store it for later use. Second spread is cilantro chutney mayo. You can find cilantro recipe link in description box as well. Mix it with mayo, adjust seasoning if required. The third one is Sriracha Mayo. I am using store-bought sriracha, but if you want me to make a video for this recipe, please let me know in comment section. Mix everything well. Add seasoning if required. The fourth spread is garlic aioli. Mix mayo with minced garlic and add salt, pepper and lemon juice to taste. Aioli literally means oil and garlic, so it's basically mayo with garlic. Fifth spread is banana pepper mayo. Mix together chopped banana pepper with mayo, adjust seasoning if required. Banana peppers are 5 times milder than jalapeno. Easily available in any grocery store in Canada and US. I am not aware if it is easily available in India or not, so you might get to have it from any specialty store. The last spread is caper mayo. Caper is an edible flower bud which is usually pickled. Capers are used in Mediterranean cuisine, Italian and Maltese cuisine. It is easily available in grocery store in Canada and US, but in India you can probably find it under specialty stores. Mix caper with mayo well. Add salt, black pepper and lemon juice to taste. For seasoning salt, in a bowl add paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, dried oregano, dried basil. Mix everything well and store it in a container. Coming up shortly with 6 types of cold sandwiches recipe for your growing up kids and teens. Today's question is, what does aioli mean? Please send your answer in comment box for making it more of a fun learning. If you like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet you shortly with a new recipe. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.